This is a short guide on how to buy shares of Service Stream Ltd. Confirming the search phrase, how to buy shares of Service Stream Ltd. Service Stream is an Australian infrastructure and utility services provider listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker SSM.ASX. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as the example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SSM.ASX to locate Service Stream. Select the entry that matches the CBOE AUS listing to open the stock page. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for SSM.ASX. Double-check the exchange and company details to confirm it's the correct listing. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is processed. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to open the platform and follow these steps.